Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
Okay, floor pan time at How We Roll Auto. Humpty Dumpty's gonna weld the floor pans in. Gloves. Says the same guy wearing a welding helmet to cut something instead of a shield. I got a shield.
I got a welding hood that has a grinding board on it.
You look underneath it, you're not cutting anything you don't need to cut. I can't see your face, so I don't know. You didn't, did you?
No. It'll be fine. Oh, it'll be fine.
Okay.
There's that brace there. I'll make sure I don't hit that brace. There's a brace right in the middle over here. I'll make sure I don't hit that because you got this one all the way up here, so it might have to be two different cuts instead of a whole ass square.
What do you want?
I said it might have to be two different cuts because there's a brace.
Just look under there and see first.
I did look under there. I gotta re-look. Shit. Okay. The brace is like right here.
Just cut. Just cut, you'll be fine. Just don't go down that deep because you look at the floor pan they gave you. If anything, it's something you're gonna have to just drill out some spot welds on to remove. So just cut your thing, just don't go super deep. I mean, just cut only through the pan as best you can.
A little spicy.
Should be alright in the morning.
Damn. That's a big
Why do you rev it up like it's a motor? Me.
Oh, you want to do it?
I'll cut it if you want me to. I don't need no face shield either.
Oh, big bag man.
No, safety squints. Spots we got a buckle. You want to go straight across here, or you try to go past this divot?
I can do it either way. You can go past it.
Right past it is the frame.
Yep.
So. Wow. A lot of fucking paint came out of there. Cut on the outside line. What? What'd you break now? Don't worry about that. That's the landlord's problem. That's the landlord's problem. Can you hear anything?
Yeah. Yeah, remember, I shot.
Huh?
Huh?
What's up, Humpty? Did you once get busy in a Burger King bathroom?
I don't get that reference. I'm not old enough.
Oh yeah, you are. You know the Humpty dance. It's your chance to do the hump. All right, let's phalange this thing. You're like 14 minutes old. Let's go.
With the gloves.
Pick it up.
Oh, I gotta hold it while you do it?
Pick it up. Hell yeah, you do. I'm gonna try to film this with the camera. If we know what the hell we're doing. Stop moving.
I'm scared.
Is it doing anything? Oh yeah.
A little excessive there, man.
Oh, we got that flange. We gotta push down in that corner. It's bumped up. the back side of it. Good. Jesus. Very easy. Hold it now.
Get down there. Obviously the floor ain't straight, but we just.
She covering everything? Looks good on my ends.
It's covering everything. It's just not flat, right?
That's
So we
not
just
flat because it's got to be flat. Something's in the way.
well, the floor is not.
Something's in the way.
No, this piece needs to bend down a little bit to this
Okay.
side.
Tack
Oh, wait.
it, hold it with a hand.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's, I cut through it, so you're gonna have to tack weld that, grind it down before you, hey, before you put the pan on, you gotta fix that part. Before you weld the pan. Should be good.
Yeah. There's that piece. So I got a.
You might have to clean it up a little bit and then just tack weld it a little bit so that.
My God.
Yeah, I sound like Peter Frampton. Do you feel like we do? Do you feel like I do, or whatever it is?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, listen, just nod and agree. I'm never wrong. First off. Second off, yeah, where he's got that thing in his mouth when he plays guitar. It's gonna be a YouTube violation, so I can't sing it. It's gonna be a violation of your eardrums if I do sing it. All right. Now, are you cleaned up enough around here to weld on it? All right. You want a magnet or something? Or are you just gonna hold tack?
I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna get her done.
so you hold it so you don't piss your pants, and then when it's time to go, you hold it so you don't get pissed anywhere else besides the toilet. So which is it?
Or am I gonna ground out? After I can't hear anything. Because I did that for 10 fucking minutes. And I forgot to turn on the damn machine. The hell? They don't look pretty, but it'll hold. Some of them look pretty. Says this corner. That corner was the hardest piece to get to.
Time to grind the bitch down. Time to grind it down, see what it looks like.